is good one, ain't it?
Real good one.
No wonder.
I think I had one hit.
Oh!
There you go. There you go, that's a good one. I just switched up to Cajun Cricket, bro.
You know I'm filming you. I'm filming you. I got you on camera.
I see him. I got him.
We got you. We filming you. We filming you.
He don't hear you. He can't hear you, bro. I couldn't hear when I was down there. It's loud down there.
I know it's loud.
I just put on, I had another number, I just put on Cajun Cricket. That's my first time dropping it in there. I got some right here. I just got one piece on.
Alright. Go back to work.
You ain't gonna reel him up? You ain't gonna reel him up? Might have to reel him up some and then let me grab the line.
Oh, you get the whole thing. You feel it? You feel it?
I'm gonna reel him up some, then I'm gonna let you grab the line.
Dry slipping.
Yep. Can you get him or you want me to start getting him?
You start now.
Alright, I got him.
Oh, one is good one, ain't it?
Real good one.
No wonder.
What you doing on that one?
Huh?
How you got him?
Throwing up against the wall.
I'm gonna put it in my bucket because your bait's.
I was throwing up against the wall.
Yeah, I think. I appreciate it, bro. Alright. I picked up a couple. I picked up a couple more small ones. Huh?
Going to the water where it's splitting there.
Uh-huh.
Everywhere where it's splitting.
Uh-huh.
You know, coming off the dam.
Uh-huh.
That's why I got the most on here. Yeah. Oh, man, son.
Oh boy gave me that catfish. Got it left.
Okay.
Uh-huh. I caught 2 more small crappie though. Uh-huh.